Hello and welcome to the double waffle stitch, part 17 of the Odyssey of Textures Blanket. For materials, you will need a basic size 4 yarn, a yarn needle, a 5mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. To start, we will chain 32. For row 1, double crochet into the third chain from hook. Continue double crocheting down the row. For row 2, we will chain 2 and turn. Now, place a double crochet into the same stitch as the chain 2. Front post double crochet into the next 3 stitches. So for these stitches, you work around the body of the double crochets from the previous row. At this point, we will start a repeat for the row. Double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and then front post double crochet into the next 3 stitches after that. Repeat those instructions until there is 1 stitch left. Into the last stitch of the row, place a double crochet. For row 3, chain 2 and turn. Place a double crochet into the same stitch as the chain 2. Now place double crochets into the next 3 stitches. From this point, you will start your repeat for the row. Front post double crochet around the next 2 stitches, and then 3 double crochets after that. So 2 front post double crochets, then 3 standard double crochets. Repeat this down the row until you have 1 stitch left. Into the last stitch, place a double crochet. Repeat rows 2 and 3 until the square measures approximately 7 inches. Once your square reaches 7 inches, it is time for the border. For the border, chain 1 and turn. Into the corner, place 3 single crochets. For the side, place 25 evenly spaced single crochets. Repeat this around the square. Each corner receives 3 single crochets, and each side receives 25 evenly spaced single crochets. To finish, we will join with a slip stitch into the beginning chain 1. For this square, my front is when my starting tail is on the bottom left corner. I like to mark the front of my square with a slip of paper and a pin.